This video is for anyone looking to start a new business in 2025. I'll be covering multiple new business ideas that are easy to start and have the potential to make you millions of dollars. So if you're ready, let's get right into it. The first business idea is one that many people are taking advantage of nowadays, but there's still a lot more room for growth. With platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok being so popular, influencers have a huge opportunity to make money online. And the best part is that anyone can become an influencer these days. You don't need any special equipment or a large following to get started. All you need is a good idea and the willingness to put yourself out there. For example, when the platform TikTok blew up a couple years ago, many creators were quick to jump on the trend, and now they're remaking millions of dollars from their videos. If you're thinking about starting your own influencer business, now is the time to do it. With the rise of social media, there are more opportunities than ever before to connect with potential customers and build a brand. So what are you waiting for? Start your influencer business today and see where it takes you. Another great business idea is to start a digital marketing agency. With so many businesses moving their operations online, there is a huge demand for digital marketing services. A digital marketing agency can help businesses with a variety of services such as search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. Starting a digital marketing agency can be a great way to generate passive income, as you can often set your prices based on the value that you bring to clients rather than on the time that you spend working with them. Plus, once you have a few clients signed up, it can be relatively easy to maintain and grow your income, even if you only work a few hours per week. Of course, building a successful business doesn't happen overnight, and you will need to put in the time and effort to learn the skills necessary to run a profitable digital marketing agency. But if you're up for the challenge, then this could be the perfect business idea for you. Next, we have e-commerce dropshipping. This business model has become very popular in recent years because it allows entrepreneurs to start selling products online without having to invest in inventory up front. Dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to list products for sale on their website or social media channels and only purchase the product from a supplier once an order has been placed by a customer. This way, you don't have to worry about storing or shipping the product yourself, as the supplier will take care of it all for you. While dropshipping can be a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment, it's important to keep in mind that it can also be quite competitive. That means you'll need to find a unique product to sell in order to stand out from the competition. Fortunately, there are still plenty of untapped markets out there, and with some research you should be able to find a product that you can sell for a profit. Once you've found your product, it's important to create a strong online presence in order to attract customers. This means having a professional-looking website or social media channels and providing excellent customer service. With some hard work and dedication, you can be successful with dropshipping. Our fourth business idea is mobile dog grooming. This is a unique business that combines the convenience of traditional dog grooming services with the portability of a mobile unit. Mobile dog grooming businesses typically offer a range of services such as bathing, hair cutting, nail trimming, and teeth brushing, all from the comfort of the customer's home. Starting a mobile dog grooming business can be a great way to generate passive income, as you can set your prices based on the value that you bring to clients, rather than on the time that you spend working with them. Plus, once you have a few clients signed up, it can be relatively easy to maintain and grow your income, even if you only work a few hours per week. Of course, building a successful business doesn't happen overnight, and you'll need to put in the time and effort to learn the skills necessary to run a profitable mobile dog grooming business. But if you love animals and enjoy working outdoors, then this could be the perfect business idea for you. Number 5 is custom print-on-demand products. Print-on-demand is an excellent business model for those who want to start their own business, but do want to have the capital or resources to invest in inventory up front. With print-on-demand, you can create a unique design and upload it to a website. The website will then print and ship the product directly to the customer. This way you don't have to worry about storing or shipping the product yourself. One great thing about print-on-demand is that you can create custom products for a variety of occasions. For example, you can create designs for holidays, special events, or even personalized gifts. This allows you to target a niche market and make sales throughout the year. In addition, You can use print on demand to sell your art or designs. If you're an artist or designer, this is a great way to monetize your skills and reach a wider audience. Overall, print on demand is a low-risk and low-cost business model that can be very profitable. All right, now we have solar panel installation. As more and more people become aware of the environmental benefits of solar energy, there is an increasing demand for solar panel installation services. A solar panel installation business can provide homeowners and businesses with the services of installing solar panels on their property, which can reduce their energy costs and carbon footprint. This business can be started with relatively little capital investment and can be run as a sole proprietorship or partnership. To start a solar panel installation business, you will need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits from your local government, and also ensure you have the proper insurance coverage. In addition, you will need to purchase the necessary equipment and materials for installing solar panels, such as ladders, tools, and safety gear. Once you have everything in order, you can start marketing your services to potential customers. You can do this by creating a website, running ads, or attending home improvement shows. When bidding on jobs, be sure to factor in the cost of labor, materials, and transportation, as well as any other expenses that may arise. It's also important to obtain multiple quotes from suppliers so you can get the best prices on materials. With careful planning and execution, a solar panel installation business can be a profitable venture. Next is a specialty food business. Specialty food businesses are becoming increasingly popular as consumers look for unique and high-quality products. These businesses can specialize in a variety of foods such as baked goods, sauces, spices, or even meal kits. Many specialty food businesses are able to generate passive income as they can often set their prices based on the value that they bring to clients rather than on the time that they spend working with them. Plus, once you have a few clients signed up, it can be relatively easy to maintain and grow your income, even if you only work a few hours per week. Of course, building a successful business doesn't happen overnight, and you'll need to put in the time and effort to learn the skills necessary to run a profitable specialty food business. But if you love to cook or bake and enjoy sharing your creations with others, then this could be the perfect business idea for you. Another great option is virtual bookkeeping. In today's digital age, many businesses are looking for ways to cut costs and streamline their operations. Virtual bookkeeping is a great way to provide businesses with the financial records they need without the overhead of hiring a full-time bookkeeper. Virtual bookkeepers can provide a variety of services such as recording transactions, generating financial statements, and assisting with tax filings. This business can be started with minimal startup costs and can be run from anywhere in the world. To start a virtual bookkeeping business, you will need to have strong organizational and communication skills, as well as a thorough understanding of accounting principles. You should also have experience using accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero. Once you have the skills and knowledge necessary to run a successful business, you can start marketing your services to potential clients. You can do this by creating a website, joining professional networking groups, or reaching out to businesses directly. When pricing your services, consider the scope of work involved as well as your experience level. With hard work and dedication, you can build a thriving virtual bookkeeping business. Finally, we have credit repair. Everyone wants good credit, but many people don't know how to go about improving their credit scores. This is where a credit repair business can help. A credit repair business can help individuals improve their credit scores by disputing inaccurate items on their credit reports and negotiating with creditors to remove negative marks. Credit repair businesses typically charge a fee for their services, which can vary depending on the services provided and the results achieved. Starting a credit repair business can be a great way to generate passive income, as you can often set your prices based on the value that you bring to clients rather than on the time that you spend working with them. Plus, once you have a few clients signed up, it can be relatively easy to maintain and grow your income, even if you only work a few hours per week. Of course, building a successful business doesn't happen overnight, and you will need to put in the time and effort to learn the skills necessary to run a profitable credit repair business. But if you're passionate about helping people improve their finances, then this could be the perfect business idea for you. These are just a few business ideas that can be lucrative in 2025. Remember that success in any business venture requires careful planning, dedication, and hard work. So if you're considering starting your own business, do your research. Develop a solid plan and be prepared to put in the necessary effort to make your business successful. Good luck and happy entrepreneurship.